Welcome to Vista Ride. Welcome to Malta, a sun-kissed island in the heart of the Mediterranean. Welcome to Villa Alhambra, one of Malta's most iconic mansions, located in the heart of Sliema. Built in the 1880s by renowned Maltese architect Emanuele Luigi Galizia, this villa is a masterpiece of Moorish Revival architecture, inspired by the legendary Alhambra Palace in Spain. Its exterior features vibrant arches, intricate carvings, and geometric patterns, making it one of the most photographed buildings in Malta. Inside, Villa Alhambra showcases high ceilings, marble floors, and ornate details that reflect a blend of Maltese and Arabic artistry. Over the years, it has served as a private residence and cultural landmark, standing as a symbol of Malta's golden architectural era. Today, it remains a protected heritage site, admired by locals and tourists alike for its rare beauty and timeless design. Villa Alhambra, where history, art, and elegance live forever in stone. Welcome to Villa Rosa, one of the most elegant and historic mansions in all of Malta, proudly standing in St. Julian's, overlooking the sparkling waters of St. George's Bay. Built in the 1920s, this stunning Art Nouveau villa captures the grace and luxury of Malta's golden age. Every corner of Villa Rosa tells a story, from its arched balconies and ornate stonework to the lush gardens that surround its grand facade. Once a private seaside residence for Malta's elite, today it stands as a protected heritage site, admired for its architecture and romantic Mediterranean charm. Its scenic location makes it a favorite backdrop for films, events, and visitors seeking a glimpse into Malta's aristocratic past. Villa Rosa isn't just a house, it's a living memory of Maltese beauty, history, and timeless sophistication. Welcome to Villa Cagliares, a magnificent 17th-century residence nestled in the quiet town of Zegedin, Malta. Built around 1620 by Bishop Baldassare Cagliares, this villa served as his countryside retreat, a place of peace, reflection, and elegance. The architecture blends Mannerist and early Baroque styles, featuring a beautiful chapel, grand arched hallways, and a formal garden that still radiates old-world charm. Throughout the centuries, Villa Cagliares has witnessed Malta's changing history, from noble gatherings to moments of faith and tradition. Recently restored with great care, it now stands as one of the most well-preserved heritage villas on the island. With its serene atmosphere and timeless design, Villa Cagliares remains a shining symbol of Malta's rich cultural and architectural legacy. Welcome to Selmun Palace, one of Malta's most majestic landmarks, located in the scenic hills of Maliha. Built in the 18th century, this grand Baroque palace was originally owned by the Monte di Pieta, a charitable institution, and later served as a hunting lodge for the Knights of St. John. Its massive stone walls, elegant balconies, and fortress-like towers reflect a unique blend of luxury and strength, a true masterpiece of Maltese architecture. From its elevated position, Selmun Palace overlooks breathtaking views of Mistra Bay and the surrounding countryside. Though once used as a noble residence and later as a hotel, today it stands as a historic monument, admired for its architectural beauty and commanding presence. Selmun Palace remains a timeless reminder of Malta's noble past, where power, art, and history unite under one grand roof. Welcome to Fatima House, one of Malta's most graceful and elegant villas, located in the heart of Sliema. Built in the late 19th century, this remarkable residence is a stunning example of Palladian architecture, inspired by classical symmetry and harmony. With its grand columns, arched windows, and decorative stonework, Fatima House reflects the timeless beauty of Malta's golden architectural era. Surrounded by lush gardens and detailed with handcrafted limestone artistry, it stands as a symbol of prestige and refined taste. Over the years, this villa has been home to some of Malta's most influential families and remains one of the most admired landmarks in Sliema's historic district. Fatima House is more than just a building, it's a masterpiece that captures the island's rich heritage and enduring love for elegance. Welcome to Madleina, one of Malta's most prestigious and sought-after neighborhoods, home to some of the island's most luxurious villas. This modern masterpiece sits high on the hillside, offering breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea and the Maltese skyline. Designed with perfection in mind, the villa features open-plan living spaces, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, infinity pools, and cutting-edge smart home technology. Every corner speaks of luxury, from the marble interiors to the custom lighting and designer furnishings. Outside, the spacious terrace and landscaped garden create a peaceful private escape, ideal for sunset gatherings and exclusive events. Priced around €2.50 to €3 million, this property defines modern Mediterranean living, where elegance meets innovation. The luxury villa in Madlina isn't just a home, it's a statement of success, style, and sophistication. Welcome to Valletta, Malta's capital city and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a place where every street whispers history. Nestled among its narrow limestone lanes stands a magnificent house of character, a perfect blend of heritage and modern luxury. Originally built in the 17th century, this home features arched stone ceilings, traditional Maltese balconies, and vintage tiles, all carefully restored to preserve its old-world charm. Inside, you'll find a seamless mix of historic architecture and contemporary design, elegant living spaces, designer kitchens, and private courtyards that reflect timeless Maltese craftsmanship. With a market value of around €4.5 million, it represents the height of luxury living within Malta's cultural capital. The House of Character in Valletta is not just a residence, it's a living museum of art, history, and Mediterranean elegance. Welcome to San Lorenzo, a peaceful village on the island of Gozo, where tradition and tranquility blend into pure Mediterranean beauty. Here lies a stunning traditional farmhouse, carefully restored to perfection, a true masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Built from golden limestone, this home features arched ceilings, wooden beams, stone staircases, and a private courtyard with a crystal-clear pool. Inside, every detail tells a story, from handcrafted doors to rustic stone walls that have stood for centuries. Surrounded by the rolling countryside, this farmhouse offers breathtaking views of Gozo's hills and sunsets over Dweitra Bay. Valued at around €1.9 million, it combines the serenity of the past with the comfort of modern luxury. The farmhouse in San Lorenzo isn't just a home, it's a retreat for the soul, where timeless charm meets peaceful island living. Welcome to Wardija, one of Malta's most exclusive and peaceful countryside areas, home to some of the island's grandest estates. Here stands a magnificent 17th-century palazzo, a true masterpiece of Baroque architecture surrounded by over 11,000 square meters of landscaped gardens. Once the residence of noble families, this palazzo embodies timeless elegance, with arched halls, marble floors, vaulted ceilings, and ornate stone balconies that overlook the Mediterranean horizon. Every room is a blend of historic grandeur and modern luxury, featuring restored antique details, designer interiors, and private courtyards. The estate also includes a large swimming pool, stables, and terraces, offering the perfect balance between privacy and prestige. Valued at over €6 million, the luxury palazzo in Wardija is more than a home, it's a royal sanctuary that captures the spirit of Malta's noble past and luxurious present.